This place is even better than Benidorm town for many tourists visiting us. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome to the sunny and gorgeous alternative to a crowded and busy Benidorm town, Cala Finestrat. Let's explore what it offers together, just a couple of kilometers from Benidorm. This place is located at the end of the Poniente beach, and it actually connects through different streets and some viewpoints with this area right here. You can access it by bus from Benidorm town, and it has a gorgeous beach, sandy, warm, with not so deep waters, the same as the Poniente beach and Levante beach, but with no rocks immediately inside of the water, so it is way more comfortable to go for a swim. A sandy beach which is busy, but it's not too overcrowded though, and nearby you have natural parks, plenty of space here to play some beach games for your kids to enjoy or for yourselves, and there's plenty of great, tasty, incredible restaurants located here nearby. By the way, this beach of Cala Finestrat has a blue flag, which means that it is of the best quality. Right there in front, we have some fair. It's a small fair for children and adults with some drinks, snacks, cocktails, music that will be opening up shortly. It's usually already open from weekends, but from the moment that the school will be over, it's going to be open every single day, whole entire day for people to enjoy. Nearby, there are some supermarkets like Carrefour. There's also plenty of nicest restaurants with typical traditional Spanish food, paellas, rice specialties, seafood, and obviously the grilled fish, octopus, and much more. Typical Spanish sangria or tinto de verano, and just all these Mediterranean style meals that you can find out here. Also, an SOS point is here nearby, just in case something happens. That is the place to go, or to the nearby lifeguard, which is also available here on the beach. There's a couple of them, checking the safety of all those who are enjoying the day here on the beach. This is the beach also where we will celebrate in just a few days' time the night of San Juan. This is the shortest night of the year, and this is when there's going to be live DJ performance. There's going to be plenty of music. There's going to be people of all ages here, tables and chairs on the beach, plenty of food, and just an incredible atmosphere to give an official welcome to the summer calendar. Not a calendar summer, but just like a summer in Spain. 23rd of June is when it's going to be happening. A very nice and spacious promenade brings us towards the nearby businesses. There are a few apart hotels and apartment options here, and hotels too, with privileged views of Cala Finestrat. Imagine having a hotel right here and just waking up every single day without any kind of car passing by, because it's not allowed, as you can see, just to get here with all these gorgeous views to the natural park, having all the cozy bars and restaurants right next to you. There's plenty of cafeterias like this one here. They have drinks, some snacks, sandwiches, cocktails, tea, coffee selection, breakfasts as well. Quite a good place. We've been here several times here since we've been living in this region. But the best part is this beach here. Look at how nice it looks from here. People are even stopping to make some pictures. This area is full of very good restaurants. There is one here at the top with the sea view, which is a part of the hotel. It's called Strat or Strat. Some nice restaurants. On the bottom we have some gelato place or the ice cream place. Here a cone, like an ice cream scoop, costs from €1.50. Then you can get milkshakes, different types of slushies, smoothies, burger to take away. That's interesting. Restaurants here nearby that will be opening up shortly. This is called Peter. Some of the restaurants are closed today on Monday, which is the same day you will be seeing this video. That's when we're filming it for you. All fresh here on the channel, up-to-date videos. Baca Beach Steakhouse. This is not a good name. Vaca Vieja is like an old cow. How do you expect to have a restaurant that's name is the Old Cow? Not a good name for a restaurant. The homemade, like handmade, traditional recipe ice creams. El Arenal on our left side is a very, very good Spanish restaurant. Really recommended for some nice seafood, rices, meats, fish. Very good place. Accessible beach they've made out here too, which is very important. And there's plenty of people here that came right now. And having an accessible beach just allows everyone to enjoy the beach equally. Sunset, Rice Place, Paella, Taperia, which is the tapas place. I think today it's going to be opening up slightly later on. Another tapas place. The Waterfront, quite a nice cafe, and it has privileged views. Very busy usually. Cala Beach Cafe, Bar, and Restaurant. For some nice drinks, snacks with views towards the Mediterranean Sea. This is where, by the way, in winter, they're doing aerobics and some dancing, which is a free of charge activity organized by the local town hall. And this is how La Cala Finestrat looks like from here. Incredible place, isn't it? We're going to zoom it in slightly more. Look at the amount of people here. This is just a beautiful place to stay for holidays, or at least come and spend like the morning here or half of day or the entire day. This is usually also our preference whenever we go for a beach day. We like this area because even though there's quite a bit of people on the front line of the beach, still you have plenty of space on the second, third, fourth row. The water and the beach isn't deep at all. There's no stones. It's a crystal clear water. It's just so comfortable and cozy to be here. And you're surrounded by very, very nice views of the natural park and the mountains from this side. So it's just a nice place for a day out. And then you have all these numerous bars and restaurants where you could grab some food, some drinks. These are not the only ones, by the way. There is way more out here where we are heading right now. Slightly further along from the beach, there's also many, many more businesses that are recommended to check out. The cafeterias, local cafeterias like these ones nearby, we have shops that do sell things like tourist-oriented things, chairs for the beach, different floating devices that you might need during your holidays. There's also the orchid or the flower of La Cala, the flower of La Cala. They have plenty of drinks here. They do slushies, smoothies, cocktails, milkshakes. There's Alejop, aka the cow shop, that I know a lot of our subscribers love this place, or at least their wives love this place. We are also fans, and we do get quite a few things here for this summer. The last one that we've taken was this floating donut right here for our daughter, and she loves it. It works really, really well, and it was 8 euros. It was less than 10 euros, and it's a very nice holiday design. This is where the beach is located and all the letters of La Cala Finestrat. And here in front, we have Carrefour supermarket. There's pizzeria places, some of the worst rated places. I think it was one of these. Don't remember which one it was, but one of these places was really, really bad rated online on Google reviews and TripAdvisor. It was just very poorly rated place. One of these ones it was. We have a full video actually about the restaurants here in the area and how they are reviewed, which one is the best one and the worst one. So check it out here on the channel. We are heading towards more businesses. There's ice cream places and also a place where you can purchase some sweets like pastry type. Then there's plenty of rentals and sales like a real estate company, but at the same time they also sell tickets for excursions. Aqua Natura, Terra Natura here. Drinks, 24-hour snack machines and drink machines are being filled up right now in the morning. Pharmacy, just in case you need some sunscreen or any other kind of things that you might need, this is where to go. And in front we have El Timón, the sports bar. This is a typical Spanish place. It's a beer place, bar, cafeteria, all in one. They have plenty of tapas here and typical traditional Spanish snacks. They have sangria, Valencian water, which is made with white wine, if I'm not wrong, and with orange. Plenty of food options, meat, fish, rices. Typical Spanish place. They tend to go international, but it is a typical Spanish place. And many locals and tourists are going actually here for a nice meal. Here we have more breakfast: 2 bacon, 2 eggs, 2 sausages, and tomato toast, mushrooms, and coffee or tea. $7.50. That's all right. Probably is this place right here. Cala it's called. It went international definitely, because right now there's plenty of international meals displayed right here. A barber shop, just in case you need some retouch while on holidays. And then we have some cocktail places that are closed right now. Followed by fresh hair, some hair salons and beauty places, like aesthetic place. And then plenty of shops like these that sell everything that you might need for your holidays. From typical bracelets, souvenirs, magnets, floating devices, things for children to play at the beach, sports at the beach, sunglasses, bags, anything you might need, you can find it in these types of shops. And as you can see, there's a little bit of everything. There's Asian restaurants also here nearby. There's kebab places right here that are also open now. More aesthetics places and more shops right in front of us. And nearby we have a tobacco shop too. Just in case you need to purchase something out there. Plenty of very nice restaurants and businesses. In front we have a tattoo shop. And right here on the, actually it says we make the best shawarma in the city for €7. That's nice. Right in front we have a little star place, and also this one right here, which is Argentinian steakhouse. This one has changed. Before it was a Spanish place. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short, sunny and lovely walk down a great alternative for your holidays next to Benidorm town if you want something slightly quieter with gorgeous, stunning views of the bay. This is what Cala Finestrat has to offer. We wish you a lovely day, great holidays, safe holidays. Don't forget to hydrate yourselves and use some sunscreen. And we'll see you here on the channel very, very soon with brand new videos. Goodbye.